Here I have NISSAN Ariya NiSmo, and let me show you how to change the ringtone volume of the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then all you need to do is use the settings icon right here. Let's just tap it. If you tap the settings icon, you've got access to the following list of features, of sections, and now all you need to do is select here the sound and tones. If you tap sound and tones, you can choose here one of the following sections. Let's use here the volume and beeps. And then you've got access to the audio volume, guidance volume, and also the ringtone. So that's what we need to have right now, the ringtone. So you can decrease or increase the ringtone. So basically this adjusts how loud your phone's ringtone sounds through the car speakers. So you can adjust it to your needs, and this is the place when you can change this ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.